So this guy has been driving for 6 months. Check this out. What do you think he's doing? What do you think he's doing? Leave in the comments. What do you think he's doing? Do you know what he's doing? He's trying to open the hood. He's looking for the lever. He's looking for a handle, a grip, anything, anywhere, something. Because he knows he's right. He knows he's about, he knows he's almost there. Wait, is this you? It's probably you. Hey, if you've done this, let us know in the comments.